Even my bike is covered in dust. Well, if I don't see another louver shutter in all my life, I would be happy. That's just half of them. Oh my Gideon. Hundreds and hundreds of little louvers, yeah. And shitloads of dust. But there is a positive to all the dust that has accumulated in the workshop. Absolutely everywhere. Yeah. And believe you me, it has been cleaned several times during this project. To some degree, that it has. It is absolutely everywhere. But what's the positive, you ask? Well, the positive of having all this dust, I now know where all the flippin' cobwebs are. Yes, they're absolutely everywhere. Cobwebs. Cobwebs. And I've still got flippin' flies. Don't tell me that the flippin' spiders eat all the cobwebs. No. No. Look at this flippin' mess. I think it's time for a major clear out, wouldn't you say? I think so, yes. Blimey, even with flippin' clamps. I've been using these. As soon as I put them back, they're covered in cobwebs. What's going on? I haven't even seen a spider. They must be invisible. Invisible spiders everywhere. Yeah, let's take this. What the hell's going on? Huh? And that's with this fan running constantly to get the dust out of their space. Plus I've got my air filters, I've got one up here. It's completely caked up now, yeah. This Axe's still one just there. And then over here, I've got this microclean one here with an extra bit of cook hood filter wrapped around it as well, like a skirt. I thought it's kinky. Yeah. Okay, that's been running as well, constantly. Now it has, both of them. They come on together. Yeah, and it's still got shitloads of flippin' dust everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. And it's very annoying. Yes. Because you know there's like when you have this degree of dust, you can never flip and get rid of it all. So it's going to be a case of getting the old garden blower vac thing and blowing it all out the door, I reckon. I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. But it's dust everywhere. Shitloads of it. Absolutely. Oh, crikey. What shall I do? Eh? And what colour shall I dye my beard next? Although it's this purple. It looks like it's been stuck on. And these, yeah, another set of flippin' shutters. They take absolutely ages. All these little loops and all the little mortises, the little channels to put all the loops in. Take absolutely ages. And I've got to take on another shutter job that happens to have louver shutters, Pacinian shutters like those. Yeah, not American Pacinian, just all the Pacinian. No, I don't think so. No, it just takes too long. I'm not tooled up for it, no. Anyway, time for me to go, so say toodaloo, you know. So toodaloo, you can come over and help me clear up if you like.